All right, moving into day 3 of our phonics work. Today our learning target is, I can understand the meaning and purpose of the Latin roots struct, spec, leader, and vent. Right, we'll be using our English or language arts notebook, and then our pencil. All right, now you'll notice this title right at the top is the title you could use in your table of contents. Write today's date and the next blank page that you have in your notebook. And then you're going to write word work as the title of your paper. All right, now this model here looks familiar. We used this last week when we were talking about suffixes. And this week we're going to use the same model to help us focus on Latin roots. Okay, so this is called the Fryer model. So if you remember, we take about half the page. We want these boxes big enough that you can write in them. All right, so this top box will be the definition. Then we're going to give examples. Examples could be words that use or contain struct. My examples, okay, what are some examples that you can connect to your own life? And then you're going to draw a picture. All right, and you're going to have that Fryer model drawn 3 times in your notebook because you're going to use these lessons to understand struct. In the second one, or second Fryer model, you'll have spec. And in the third Fryer model, you'll have leader. Then, okay, you're going to find the origins, meaning, and the use of the word part vent, similar to the videos you viewed. You're going to create a slideshow for your word parts to show their meaning, origins, okay, remember, or where they come from, and how they are used. Be sure to include your Fryer model to represent each word part. All right, so your slideshow is focusing on vent. All right, and then, whoops, I don't think you can see this here. I'm going to exit out quickly, but I did attach a Greek and Latin root dictionary at the bottom here, which will be a great place for you to start in trying to understand vent. All right, 5th graders, get to work, and we will see you again next time.